everyone, we're going to find the derivative of y with respect to x. We have y equals inverse hyperbolic sine of tan of x. We're going to use our formula for hyperbolic sine inverse functions here. So when you differentiate, you're going to get derivative of y with respect to x equals, we're also going to use our chain rule. So this is going to be 1 divided by square root of 1 plus your x. This is your x. So this is going to be tan, I'm just going to put the square there, tan squared of x. You know these are the same. So if you have tan x squared, that's the same as this. Now we have to differentiate our tan of x, and the derivative of tan of x is just secant squared of x. Now, let's simplify this. We get secant squared of x divided by, now 1 plus tan squared of x is just going to be the square root of secant squared of x. So what we get is equal to secant squared of x, and then we want this to be positive, so we're going to do absolute value of secant of x, square root of a square. This can be simplified further as absolute value of secant. Let me scoot this over a little bit. Okay, so now that we have this here, let's simplify that. I'll do that on the next slide so I'm not squeezing everything in. All right. So now we're going to have absolute value of secant x times absolute value of secant of x. That was what we had for our secant squared of x there. And the denominator, we already had absolute value of secant of x. This is your dy dx. Now, these cancel, so your final answer is absolute value of secant of x. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.